So what we're doing today is we're working on a drill underneath the Red River near Letellier, Manitoba. It's about a 775 meter drill of 8-inch transmission steel pipeline. We're drilling about 45 meters below grade. So it's one of the longest and deepest drills we've done in Manitoba Hydro. So last year during drought conditions, we observed that one of the existing pipeline crossings at this location was sticking above the riverbed. We took measures to isolate that pipeline, and this is the project to replace that pipeline. Directional drilling is something that's done commonly at Manitoba Hydro and other utilities. We use it regularly to clear landscaped areas or driveways or other utilities. On the drill behind me, you'll see them adding a 20-foot section onto the existing drill rod. It'll be screwed in and continue to drill underneath the ground. Once the drill reaches the other side of the drill path, what will happen is it'll attach to the pipe, which is already welded up on the other side, and drop back underneath the river as it pulls back.